One thing that I think is really cool is that instead of just outputting text, CommandBar can kind of just say, here, let me show you, and start browsing alongside the user. Anyways, they're in a bunch of great products already. You can learn more about them at commandbar.com. Thanks to them for sponsoring this episode. And now back to Mark. When you say into the model itself, you train it on the thing that you want in the model itself? What do you mean by into the model itself?
Well, I mean, I think like the example that I gave for Llama 2, where, it's we really, I mean, for Llama 2, the tool use was very, very specific. Whereas Llama 3 has has much better tool use, right? So we don't have to like hand code all the stuff to have it use Google to go do a search. It just kind of can do that. And similarly for coding and kind of running code and just a bunch of stuff like that. And but I think once you kind of get that capability, then you get a peek of, okay, well, what can we start doing next? Okay, well, I don't necessarily want to wait until Llama 4 is around to start building those capabilities. So let's start hacking around it. And so you do a bunch of hand coding, and that makes the products better for the interim. But then that also helps show the way of what we want to try to build into the next version of the model.
What is the community fine-tune of Llama 3 you're most excited by? Maybe not the one that will be most useful to you, but you'll just enjoy playing it with the most. They like fine-tune it on antiquity, and you'll just be like talking to Virgil or something.